Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update, and here we are. So I'm actually on the monthly time frame at the moment, and it seems like we still have a little bit of a drop pending to go to the downside yet. We haven't really met the technical target, and that is the 1.618, okay? 341. But before we go to that particular target, all I want to say right now is that you are finding a small support right down here at the 466. You are finding support. You did make a nice good jump to the upside to 527, but I will look to invest a little bit of SOP down here because that's a very good level entry to actually enter once again. So basically, let's dive into the smaller time frame to have an idea what is about to happen. So what I'm gonna say is this: you still have resistance, especially right on this FIB retracement line. I'm going to show you just in a second. You are finding a big strong resistance at the 1.272. So right now all you did is you went to the downside, had a push to the upside, find resistance at the 1.272, and there's a good potential move to the downside that is still pending to the 341. If you do start to lose the 341, then you might even come down to the 2.272. so what I will say is still do not try to fish the bottom, do not try to hunt the bottom and where the bottom is going to become, because certainly for sure you don't know what the bottom really is. Anything can really happen, and in my opinion the fractal is repeating the way you actually went to the downside and you went to the upside and then you start to move again to the downside like that. This looks, what happened right here looks the same really about what is about to happen right here again. Why do I say this though? Because tomorrow is weekend starts, okay? The weekend actually starts Saturday, Sunday, and it's not a good time. Saturday, Sunday are not really like very buddy friendly to you. They're not going to give you what you're expecting, in my opinion, so I don't really think it's still a good time to invest, even though there was a nice good pump to the upside, but not convincing enough. And one more thing, we also have the shooting star as well. So here we are, and you can see this candlestick in the middle, the red one is a shooting star, and that's actually a very negative candle. What I'm going to do is go to Google again, and I'm going to show you the shooting star candlestick. So here we are, and all of this, by the way, is in my trading course, so do check out my trading course here and join our Discord channel if you want to chat on the SLP channel as well. The link is in the description. This is where you're going to find the link right over here. Touch this link and you're in, okay? All you have to do is click on this link and that's it. Anyway, so let's go back into the shooting star candlestick and go into the images. So here we are into the images. This is the image that I want to show you right now, and that's the shooting star that you see, and this is negative. It actually pushes the price to the downside, and that's what you have on a 4-hour time frame. So still, this is not good. You really have to cross this level 627, and then you might probably go back to 870. There is a good chance though that if you cross 596 here, you cross 596, you go back to retest the 87, because it seems like you never really went to retest and backtest this one and fail and go to the downside. Whatever it is, remember, this is not a good idea to actually keep on trading or SLP. So that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.